Welcome to Stock Knowledge and News with Arieous Invest, your trusted source for updates, earnings reports, and actionable insights to sharpen your stock market game. Join us as we explore market trends, decode the latest news, and empower your financial journey with expert stock knowledge. This is Trading Reimagined. Let's get started.
Okay, so get this, right? Quantum computing. That's where we're going today.
All right, diving right in.
Deep dive, yeah.
I like it.
Specifically, we're going to be talking about Alphabet Inc. new Willow chip, which I don't know if you've heard about this.
Oh, yeah. Big news.
Big news, yeah. So it's claimed that this thing can do calculations in minutes, what would take supercomputers, like the ones we have now, billions of years.
Yeah, the potential is pretty wild.
Billions. It's hard to even fathom that, right?
You have to wrap your head around it.
Yeah, it really is. So, let's see. I guess first, maybe just to get everybody on the same page.
Sure.
What exactly is quantum computing? Like for someone who maybe hasn't, kept up on their quantum physics textbooks.
Right.
How would you explain that?
Well, normal computers that we all use, they use bits, which are kind of like a switch. It's either on or off, 1 or 0.
Right, yeah, I've heard that.
But quantum computers, they use these things called qubits, and a qubit can be both 1 and 0 at the same time.
Ooh.
It's called superposition, and it's kind of one of the strange things about quantum mechanics, which is a whole other deep dive, maybe.
Yeah, another time.
But that's kind of the heart of it, and that lets them do these crazy calculations.
So it's not just like on or off, it's like a whole spectrum of possibilities.
Exactly.
Okay, so that sounds incredibly powerful, I mean, just conceptually.
Oh, yeah.
But like, how does that actually play out in the real world? Like, what could we do with this?
Well, imagine you're trying to find your way through a maze. A classical computer, it would have to try each path one at a time until it found the exit. But a quantum computer, because of this superposition idea, it can explore all the paths simultaneously.
Ah, I see.
So it finds a solution way faster.
Right.
And this is especially useful for really complex problems where there's tons of variables, like simulating molecules for drug discovery,
Right.
or optimizing financial models,
Wow.
that kind of thing.
So this is not just like making your computer run a little faster. This is like a whole other...
Oh, yeah, it's a whole other level.
Okay. So let's get back to this Willow chip then, right?
Yeah.
Because what they're saying is that it can perform calculations billions of times faster than even like the most powerful supercomputers we have.
Yeah.
And like I said, that time scale just blows my mind. I can't even imagine what that kind of computing power would look like in practice.
Yeah, it's really hard to picture. It's so far beyond anything we've experienced.
So if this is true, right, if this chip can really do what they say it can do, what does that mean? Like, are there any limits?
Well, that's the big question, right?
Yeah.
We could be talking about a total paradigm shift. Problems that we thought were impossible, like designing entirely new materials or predicting climate change with pinpoint accuracy, those might become solvable.
See, that's what I don't think people get. They think, oh, quantum computing, that's just going to make my phone faster. It's not about that. It's about things that we can't even do right now.
Right. We might be able to cure diseases that are incurable now. We might be able to
solve climate change.
Solve climate change, exactly.
Develop new energy sources? Who knows?
The possibilities, they're kind of limitless.
It's both exciting and scary, I think.
It is.
Because, we're opening up this whole new universe of possibilities, and we don't really know what's going to be on the other side.
It's like stepping into the unknown, right?
Yeah. So I guess one question I have for you, and I'm curious to get your take on this. If quantum computing can really do what they're saying, right, solve problems billions of times faster.
Yeah.
What are some problems that we can even solve now that you think would be the most impactful to solve? Like, what would you want to see this technology used for?
It's a great question. I think for me, top of the list would be anything related to health and medicine. Like, imagine being able to simulate the human body at a molecular level. We could understand diseases in a completely different way, develop personalized treatments, maybe even reverse aging. That's just one area. Think about energy. We could design completely new ways to generate clean energy, solve the climate crisis, or even space exploration, simulating interstellar travel, figuring out how to get to other planets.
Yeah, that's incredible. And I think it really gets to the heart of what this technology is all about. It's not just about doing things faster. It's about doing things that we can't even conceive of right now.
Absolutely.
I think that's a pretty good place to leave it.
Yeah.
I mean, I think we've given everyone a lot to think about. And honestly, I'm still trying to wrap my head around all of this myself.
Me too.
But thanks for coming on the show and helping me break down this quantum conundrum.
Happy to be here. Always a fascinating topic.
Yeah. And for everybody listening out there, I hope this deep dive has, sparked your curiosity, because this is something that we're going to be hearing a lot more about in the coming years.
Yeah.
So keep your ears open, stay informed, and who knows, maybe one of you listening will be the one to solve one of those impossible problems.
I'd say that's very possible.
Until next time.
See ya.
Arieous Invest. Trading reimagined.